A new development could thwart Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal's plans of bringing the new Jan Lokpal bill in the capital, and it could lead to a fresh face-off between him and the centre. The country's Solicitor General has told the Lieutenant Governor that before the Delhi legislature debates or votes on the bill, it must be cleared by the Union Home Ministry. That legal opinion is based on the fact that the body that is created will be funded at least in part by the Union government. The Chief Minister had announced that on February 13, during a special session, the anti-corruption bill would be reviewed and voted on, and finally the session would culminate at the city stadium with the public invited to attend. The Aam Aadmi Party has reacted angrily.
संविधान उसको वो अधिकार देता है। इस पे और बातचीत, क्योंकि सॉलिसिटर जनरल ने क्या क्या तर्क रखे हैं, क्या क्या उन्होंने क्लॉजेज पढ़ाई हैं, वो फिर देखना होगा। लेकिन मैं कुल मिला के कहना चाहता हूं कि दिल्ली की चुनी हुई सरकार, दिल्ली की चुनी हुई विधानसभा, इन सबसे सुप्रीम यहां कोई नहीं है और इनके ऊपर काफी कुछ निर्भर करता है। संविधान इस बात की गारंटी देता है।
If at all the Solicitor General has indeed informed the Honourable Lieutenant Governor with regard to what the constitutional position is, then I think it is incumbent upon everybody to respect the constitution, because after all, even the Aam Aadmi Party government in Delhi has sworn to protect and defend the constitution. They have taken the oath of office on the constitution.